FloorRevive reviews, hidden truth about this product. Today I'm going to show you everything you must know so you can quickly decide if this is actually worth using on your floors or not. FloorRevive is made to improve how your floor looks by cleaning, adding shine, and leaving a thin protective layer on the surface. Instead of fixing damage completely, it focuses on making worn or dull floors look better without needing major repairs. That's why it's often used as a quick refresh rather than a full restoration. The way you use it is simple. Start by cleaning your floor thoroughly so there's no dust or dirt left behind. This step is important because any debris can affect the final result. Once the surface is dry, apply the solution evenly using a cloth or mop. Spreading it thinly helps avoid streaks and keeps the finish smooth. After that, let it dry completely so it can form that polished layer on top. Once it sets, the floor usually looks more even and slightly glossy, which make small scratches and dull spots less noticeable. This is where the product performs best. It improves the appearance of light wear, but it won't fix deeper scratches, cracks, or serious damage. Those issues will still be there, just less obvious. Another thing to keep in mind is that the results don't last forever. With regular use and foot traffic, the layer will wear down over time. That means you may need to reapply it to maintain the same look, especially in high traffic areas. Expectations also matter here. While some results online may look dramatic, the actual outcome depends on your floor's condition. If your floor is only slightly worn, the improvement can be noticeable. If it's heavily damaged, the change will be more limited. Overall, it's easy to use and beginner-friendly with no complicated setup required. The real takeaway is that it works as a surface enhancer, not a repair solution. If you want a quick and simple way to refresh your floor's appearance, it can help. But if you're expecting a complete fix, it may not deliver that level of change.